I-MACD indicator ikutshengisa i-momentum before i-price inyakaza. What's good, Team Forex Moguls? I'm back again with another banger. Njengokwazi kwisixwayiso sethu, as always ngenza sure ukuthi ngisibeka phambili so that umuntu uzoba clear ukuthi la ekhaya we only teach kuphela. There's no other thing esiyenzayo except ukuthi sikhiphe ulwazi. So ake siqaleni. MACD indicator isegment esizobe sikhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Okokuqala nje, okay, ngithatha ipeni lami as usually ngepeni elibomvu ke namhlanje. Number 1 sikhuluma about i-MACD. Manje ama-beginners amaningi baye-avoida noma bayayibalekela i-MACD indicator because ibukeke ngazuthi i-difficult, or should I say mhlampe i-complicated. So the reason why beyibalekela, it's because abanalo ulwazi kahle kahle nje. That's i-bottom line yalento. So kanti lento mawusuyihlangabezene nayo usuyifundile, in actual facts i-simple, yabo, i-simple. That is why ngizoyi-breaka down manje njengoba ngenza le video. So mase ngi-break it down izoba isiba simple, uzoyi-understanda kahle kahle, but yona isiza ekutheni isiza ekutheni ukwazi ukubona i-momentum ne-trend strength ye-chart or ye-movement ngaleso sikhathi. So ake siqale ke sibuze lo mbuzo which abantu abaningi abawuzele. Iyini i-MACD? Iyini? Now leli gama elithi MACD kahle kahle liyi-abbreviation. Leli gama leli li-abbreviation, likahle kahle lichaza ukuthi moving average convergence and divergence. Kahle kahle isuke icomparisha ama-moving averages amabili ngesikhathi esisodwa. La khona isuke ikutshengisa khona nje kade ngishilo ngale ekuqaleni ukuthi i-momentum ne-trend strength, ukuthi mhlampe indlela esuke ingakhona ikanjani. And then mase siza la egabeni zawo MACD indicators. Number 1, i-MAC eyokuqala eba khona i-MAC line. Sorry, pen lami ke bafethu libuye libhede. Uline eyokuqala lo line lo wona onyakaza kakhulu, iwona nje othi mawubheka echartini kube ngazuthi unyakaza kakhulu towards i-price. Ngamanye amazwi u-fast ekutheni ukwazi ukuthi u-react kwi-price lesu kuyenza kwi-market. Number 2 mase kuba number 2 signal signal. So number 2 signal lo uthanda ukuba slow kunolo we-line because ekubeni slow usuke usetshenzisela ukuthi ukwazi ukuconfirm or confirmation kahle kahle. That is why kubalekile ukuthi u-understand lama parts u2. And then mase ukuthi ukwazi kanjani ukwafunda. Into yokuqala i-MACD mayingaphezulu kwa-0 i-market isuke ibullisha. I-market mayibullisha ke guys kahle kahle isuke iya phezulu, isuke ikwi-direction yaphezulu mayibullisha, meaning ukuthi ama-buyers wona asuke in control. But i-MACD may below 0, it's actually going down. meaning ukuthi ama-sellers anjani are in control, imarket isuka i-bearish ngaleso sikhathi. Yabo, it's a clear understanding. Then mase siza la ekutheni ama-beginners angayisebenzisa kanjani le indicator. Okokuqala kumele aconfirme i-trend. That's the first thing. Kumele akwazi ukuconfirma i-trend. That's the first thing. Ebalulekile. Kumele aconfirme i-trend, then mase confirma i-momentum. That is how to use i-indicator yakho. Ulona ke kubalekele ukusebenzisa i-MACD indicator yodwa nokukuscalpa ngayo futhi i-MACD akukho right. Then fourthly, if not fifth, i-MACD kumele uyisebenzise ne-price action. Mawukuthi i-MACD above 0 plus kune-uptrend, wena nje you are looking for buy kuphela. Buy. Buka nje buy kuphela. Esena for uyiwami awukho muhle, but ke it is what it is. But i-MACD yakho uma below 0 and kwi-downtrend usebenzisa sell kuphela. Yayizwa into engishoyo. Then another thing ekufanele ni understand ama-settings ayi. Ama-setting default settings akhona u-12, u-26 no-9. 12, 26 no-9. Uma ungayi-understand ke leyo ngicabanga okay pen lami okay, sorry about that. 12 nolona no-26 no-9. Then mase kuba ama-time frame. Ama-time frame ilade ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngawo. U-daily, u-hour 4 no 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour no daily. Ikona abalekile lawo. Then mase kuba ukuthi ama-common mistakes. Common mistakes enziwa ama-beginners, meaning u-crossover, u-ignore ama-trend, noku-overcomplicate. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing and commenting and listening to this channel. Danko.